Greeting viewers, my name is Mercy Mugure, Ability Africa Media. For the last 5 years, we've been serving you, creating awareness on issues that affect persons with disabilities through the print magazines. We've done 3 editions per year. Like you can see, on this one we are celebrating the African child. We were talking about parenting children with disabilities on this edition. We did on the right to employment, and we have a number of other publications that we have done. And at the moment, we are transitioning from the print media to the digital media. Our home video host at Ability Africa Media channel. Please subscribe so that we have conversation. All of us, when there is inclusion, we believe that in this society, whether with different kind of disabilities, there is a lot we can do together. And therefore, in this channel, we'll be discussing the rights of persons with disabilities. What are the rights of people with disabilities in Kenya? Are they enjoying their rights? What are the gaps and what can be done? The most important thing you need to remember about this channel is that we are not talking to people with disabilities. We are talking to you without disability. There is one thing that you can learn that can change your attitude. You can learn how to deal with people with disabilities. Therefore, it's a channel that will be about the right information, the right attitude, because ideally, most of the time, it's not the issue of the person with disability themselves. It's the barriers that they face. It's the issues that make them not to participate on equal basis with each one of us in this society. Persons with disabilities do not live in a community of their own. We all coexist together. It's either a brother, it's either a sister, it's a colleague, it's a wife, it's a husband. And so we all need this information. We all need to engage. We need to start these conversations. We all need to talk about disability, because disability is not about an individual. It is us making the society inclusive, celebrating all the diversities. And that's why at Ability Africa we say we celebrate the beauty of diversity. So kindly subscribe. You will get a lot of information about all categories of disability. So it's a full package. Subscribe. Let's meet and discuss disability. Disability is to be celebrated. Disability is not something to be sympathized with. It's not a death sentence. We all can engage. We all can make this place a society that is inclusive. It's for everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I'm looking forward to interact with you, to engage with you, to hear your feedback. Thank you so much. God bless. We were hosted at Grey Oak Hotel here at Kitengela. Anytime you're passing by, kindly pass by here. It's disability friendly.